Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to fix RCS messaging not working on your iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone and scroll all the way down and tap on Apps. Next, find and select Messages. Scroll down again until you see RCS messaging under the text message section. Tap it or toggle the switch to enable RCS. If the RCS isn't working, try toggling it off and back on again. Next, check the requirements. If you don't see the RCS messaging option in your settings, it might be because your iPhone or carrier doesn't support it yet. You'll need an iOS 18 or later, and a carrier that supports RCS messaging. You can visit Apple's official support page to check which carriers of your country support it. If your software is outdated, RCS won't work. Go back to the settings and click General and select Software Update. Make sure that you're running iOS or later, which is 18 and more, then download and install the latest update. Reset your cellular connection. If RCS still don't appear, the issue might be your carrier connection. Fix it by going to Settings and click Cellular and tap your SIM and toggle on this line off and wait for a few seconds and turn it back on. Your signal will disappear for that moment and then reconnect again. This refreshes your carrier connection and can restore RCS feature. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.